Lord of Lemon, now you are come for. I want make you explain to me wetin dey happen inside that your house. Why you be say every day fighting, fighting, fighting? I want to understand because me, I don't understand wetin dey happen for this your house. You understand? Lord of Lemon, now you are the talk. That your house, is it house of commotion? Abi house of wife fighting, husband? I want to know because me, I don't know. Which one be say every day fight dey happen for that your house? So Mary, you don't fight Mary, so they want me Mary go. You don't fight and fight and fight, and now you can't go carry caterpillar, can't go for where Mary they build house for in village. Say you go destroy the house. At the end of it, they beg you, they hold you, hold you, hold you. Even your brother come, they hold you, hold you, hold you. At the end of it, you leave the house. You did not destroy the house. So you can't say Mary will leave your house, whether like it or not. Before you know it, you can't say Mary don't lost the ring, the ring, the wedding go on I do. Say Mary don't lost the ring. So for that reason, you must leave your house. So before you go know it, you can't say you see Mary for he and the in boyfriend, the ex-boyfriend, where they do something. I won't ask you, Lord of Lemon. Wetin dey happen for that your house? Is it house of commotion? Abi house of fighting? Abi house of husband and wife? Abi house of peaceful marriage home? I want to know because I don't know anyone. This fight don't happen, no be today e start. So tey Joy come inside the house. You come waka comot, come go pay Joy, come go do introduction for Joy head. Na im Joy come and when Joy come, I think say Joy go dey in peace with Mary. Joy come with im own madness, carry belle come with im own madness, come dey scatter the house. Before you know it, Joy and Mary come become cataract. You wey come be the husband for the house, I no come understand. So na question na im me I carry come. My question is dat wetin dey happen for dat house? So before you know it, the fight don dey too much. Pikin wey Joy carry for belle sotey the pikin come comot. I no know how the pikin take disappear. Joy come talk say na your family na im comot the pikin wey dey im belle. So at the end of it, you wey be Lord of Lemon, Joy come say you must provide the pikin. So I wan know how you go take provide dat pikin wey dey inside belle wey comot. Whether you go do make the pikin vanish come back, I no know. Before you know it, fight continue. From that fight now, na im una come settle. Una come settle oo, settlement no be small one. Sotey Mary sef and Joy come become 5 and 6. Dey come dey waka together, dey come dey eat together, dey come dey travel together. Anything wey dem dey do, dey come dey do am together, dey come dey baff together. So but at the end of it, you wey be their husband, dey go come meet you maybe in the night, you understand? But that one no be my problem. Wetin be my problem be say, Lord of Lemon, wetin dey happen to that house? Wetin dey happen inside that your house? I wan know because I wan know whether this fight, whether e dey serious. Make I know wetin I go do so dat if I dey watch, I go know say na real fight na I dey watch. So na so the thing take happen. So now you want make Joy comot, abi? Joy don tell you how much wey you go pay am, don tell you the millions of naira wey you go pay am. Are you ready to pay the money? Den if you are ready to pay the money, Joy say if you are ready to pay the money, say make you tell am say im go comot willingly, im go comot without stress. If you are ready to pay her the millions of naira wey im tell you make you pay am, Lord of Lemon, say im go comot for your house. Okay, now Joy and Mary, they no dey use their eye see each other now. So dey come dey fight for on top of bed. I no understand where this one wan carry come again. So now wetin come dey happen for that house na im me I no know. So Lord of Lemon, I ask you this question, wetin dey happen inside that your house? That fight wey dey happen there na real? My people, make una ask Lord of Lemon oo, because I go call am on phone, ask him wetin dey happen, because e don reach when this fight suppose to stop. This family fighting whatever, family fighting, African family fighting, e don reach when e go stop. Na wetin carry me come. Wetin carry me come na make I ask Lord of Lemon whether that fight never do. Then if Joy tell you say make you give am so millions of naira before she go leave, why you can't go marry am? Why you can't go marry am for the first place? Then let her be now. Find someone wey go settle the home, settle all of una. You understand? But if una dey do am as form of show, we dey ready to watch. See you. Bye.